friends, welcome to Dharma Education. If not yet subscribed, please subscribe and click the bell icon. So in this module, we are going to discuss our seventh question. What is that? They are given that cot theta will be equal to 7 by 8. Then evaluate 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta. Then what is that? 1 by. So by 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. And second one, 1 plus sin theta by cos theta. So here, let's going to take cot theta. What is that? So cot theta 7 by 8. So cot theta is nothing but what is that? So we know that cot theta will be equal to what is that? Cosine theta by sin theta. That will be 1 by tan theta. So as we know, what is the formula of cot theta is adjacent side by opposite side. Adjacent side by opposite side. So that is the case here. How we can say here is, so for this cot theta, actually sin theta means opposite side, we know that, and cos theta means adjacent side by hypotenuse. Let's going to do and write it here. Let's going to write triangle ABC. So at B it is 90 degree. Let's going to take angle at, so let's going to take angle A will be equal to theta. So here angle A will be equal to theta. So for this, what you can say here is adjacent side. For this theta, what is the adjacent side? AB. So this one will be equal to, let's going to take, they are given the ratios, not the values. So let's going to take, what is that here is, let's take adjacent sides cot theta will be equal to, it is multiplied with some factor, that is x factor. So these are the actual one. Let's going to take, this is adjacent side is AB, opposite side is BC. So this is 7x, then opposite side is 8x, that is BC. So these are the values. Let's going to find it. What is the value of AC hypotenuse? So how to find out this one? From Pythagoras theorem, what you can say here is, from Pythagoras theorem. So from Pythagoras theorem, what you can say here is, the square of the hypotenuse will be equal to sum of the squares of two sides in the given triangle. So AC square will be equal to BA square plus BC square. Then AC will be equal to square root of BA square plus BC square. So let's going to substitute here square root of, what you can say, BA square is what? 7x whole square plus 8x whole square. So 7x whole square means 7 square, that is 49x square. 8 square is nothing but what is that? 64x square. So let's going to take common of x square here. So x square into, what you can say here is 49 plus 64. So that is the value. Then divide this one as it is like this, 130. So this one will be 113, square and square root will going to cancel. Then what we will get it here is, so we will get the value of AC, that one will be equal to, AC will be equal to x square root of 130. So this is x square root of 130. This one is the value, or you can write it in the format of 113 into x also. So that is cot theta. So as we know now, we know the values of this. Then going to find out what is sin theta and what is cosine theta for this. Why? Because they are given like this. So what is sin theta from this? So sin theta will be equal to, so sin theta will be equal to opposite side for the angle A. For this angle A, what is opposite side? That is BC. What is hypotenuse? That is AC. So BC is nothing but 8x and AC is nothing but 100 and square root of 113 into x. We are going to cancel this one. So 8 by square root of 113. So this is the, what you can say, this is sin theta. Then what is cos theta? So cos theta will be equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse, that is BA. For A, what is the adjacent side? BA, and what is the hypotenuse? AC. So that one BA will be equal to 7x by square root of 113 into x. X will going to cancel. Then what you will get? 7 by square root of 113. So this is the values for this cos theta and cosine theta. Now we are going to check the what is the values of 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta, that one. So here our first one in the seventh one, what they are given. So 1 plus sin theta, 1 minus sin theta. Let's going to write first one, 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta whole divided by 1 plus cosine theta into 1 minus cosine theta. So actually it is in the format of a plus b into a minus b. So what is the formula of a plus b into a minus b? What is that? So from these factorizations, a square minus b square. So let's going to substitute that formula as it is here. Then what we need to get it, we are going to calculate. So that is a plus b. Here a is nothing but 1. Then b is equals to, what is that? Sine theta. That is 1 square minus square theta whole divided by, for this also 1 square minus cosine square theta. So this is the value. So as we know, what is this 1 square? Let's write 1. Sine square theta means what is that? 8 pi, what you can say, 113 square root of 113 whole square whole divided by 1 minus 7 pi square root of 113 whole square. So what is the formula we can remember here? The formula from this is a by b whole square will be equal to a square by b square. You can take like this. This is the value. So let's going to substitute all these values and we're going to calculate it. So 1 minus 8 square by square root of 113 whole square. This one square and square root will going to cancel. Then 1 minus 7 square by square root of 113 whole square. Square root will going to cancel. Then 1 minus 8 square is what? That is 64 whole divided by, that is 113. Then whole divided by 1 minus 49 by 113. Let's going to take LCM. Then 113 minus 64 divided by 113 whole divided by 113 minus 49 by 113. So 113 will going to cancel. Then what value we will get it here? So 113, what is that? 113 minus, what is that? 64, we will get 49 whole divided by 113 minus 49, we will get it as 64. So this is the value of the given one. What is that? First one. What is that first one here is, therefore what you can say finally, therefore 1 plus sine theta into 1 minus sine theta whole divided by 1 plus cosine theta into 1 minus cosine theta, you can say as it is cos theta also, that is 49 by 64. If they are going to give like this, means product of any values, based on this we can calculate. Thanks for watching and we'll see the next one. So here our second one, let's write it. What is that? They are given that 1 plus sine theta divided by cosine theta. So let's go into substitute the values here. 1 plus sine is 8 by square root of 113 whole divided by 7 by square root of 113. Let's take LCM of this. So 113 plus 8 by square root of 113, then 7 by square root of 113. So these values we are going to cancel. 113, then what is the value of this? So we will get square root of 113 plus 8 by 7. So this is the value. Like this we have to find it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and try to share with your friends and family members, and try to watch the remaining videos. We are already covered from 6th to 10th class all the classes.